Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Infinix Note phone. This is a Note 8 phone, as you can see from the phone itself. This is an Infinix and this would work on other versions of Infinix. So what I'm going to do here, in case you got locked out in your phone, you don't remember the password or pattern or PIN code, I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset it. So first of all, you're going to click the power key, and we shall use also the volume up button and down volume key. So I'm going to click the power button. I hold it for a few seconds. You hold it for a few seconds, then to bring you this part where it will ask you to power off. Then I'm going to slide the key. I'm going to hold and sorry about that. I'm going to go back, hold the power key. Then after, I'll take it. Then it is going to vibrate after. Then that will indicate that the phone has gone off. So the next step here, I'm going to click the power key and then the volume up key. Then I'm going to hold them like this. You have to click them at once. Then when you see the Infinix logo, then you have to release them. Then I'm holding them, the buttons, the power key and the volume up key. Then after I see the Infinix logo, then I'll release the phone. Then this will take us to the command mode. So in the command mode, this is what I'll do. I'm going to go ahead and click the volume down key and the power button and the volume up key. You click the volume down key, power button, volume up key. Then it will take you to the recovery mode. So when you reach the recovery mode, you will see some of the instructions here, but to navigate through the process, you click the volume down key and volume up key to navigate up and down. Then to accept changes, you have to click the power button, this one itself. So I'm going to go ahead and say wipe cache partition, then I'll say yes. And then I'll come back again, I'll click the volume down key. And then I'll click wipe data and factory set. This will delete everything on the phone and to go back to its factory settings. Then I'll click it here. Then they will tell me all user data is going to be deleted and you can't undo it. Then I'll accept, because in our case we are going to delete everything and the phone will come back new. Then I'll click volume, the power key to accept changes. Then the phone will go and wipe everything. Then after the next step you do here, you're going to go ahead and click the restart button. Then the phone will start formatting everything and this will take a while. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video right now from here. Then I'll take you to the next step where we shall continue from. So I want you to wait for the phone to start and all the process will begin. And this is how you do the factory set on your Infinix Note phones, and this would work on other Infinix phones. Let's continue. I'm going to pause from here. So our phone has gone to this step. The other step took a minute or to 2 minutes. So when you reach here, you're going to go ahead and click start. You select your language. In my case, I'll select English. Then you select the country. In our case, we are in Uganda. So you have to scroll down up to your country. Then after you click next, then here they are telling us to put a SIM card. We're going to skip this step. Then they're asking us for a network. In my case here, I'm going to take it to my network here. Then I'm going to put the password. So when it asks for the Google account, I'll show you how to go around it also. So let me connect it to a network. And we see what's going on. Then after connecting to the network, this is what it gave us. So this is how we do everything. So I'm going to stop from here. Thanks for watching. Click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Comment, share this video, and shall continue from here. This is how you hard reset your phone. And it's going to ask for a Google account. Then I'll show you how to bypass it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.